I was on a music video. I can't... Okay, I wasn't on a music video, but my work was on a music video. Okay, my work wasn't on a music video, but okay, here's what happened. Now, before we get started here, I just wanted to take a moment to thank you guys personally. There have been a bunch of you buying Michael Builds merch all of a sudden, and I can't tell you how good that feels on my heart that you guys are supporting the channel that way. Thank you so much to those of you that have been buying t-shirts and hats. I thank you, my wife thanks you, my son thanks you. Thank you so much. The only thing that sucks is I can't see you in it, so take a picture of you sporting that Michael Builds merch and post it on Instagram at #MichaelBuildsCommunity. I would love to see that. You don't have to, but that would be so cool. Again, thank you so much and hope to see you on Instagram. So, what's this video about? This video is about your builds. This video is about your projects that were inspired by this channel. And let me tell you, nothing is more fulfilling to any kind of creator across the board, be it YouTube or an artist or a musician, than inspiring people. I would have to say that that's the main goal, is inspiring people, inspiring others to create as well and come up with their own vision. So I wanted to share with you some of the Instagram DMs and emails that I get from you guys, because you guys are blowing me away and you're inspiring me. So let's get to it. I had a gentleman named Adam Stoner hit me up on a DM on Instagram. So apparently he's the lead singer of a band called Sins of Calvary. So Adam says, by the way, thank you for your video. I was able to create a castle in my garage. So this guy built a set in his garage and turned it into a castle based on my parging video with Mortar Mix. Not only do these guys create their own music, but they create their own sets, they film their own videos, and it was pretty effing cool. So the set was in a video called The Fool by Sins of Calvary. Due to the subject matter and the graphic nature of the video, I feel compelled to tell you to watch it at your own risk. The views of the video do not necessarily reflect the views of the channel. Take that for what you will. I just want to say that I'm a big supporter of artistic expression of any kind. But Adam, I just want you to know, if you ever need me in one of your videos, I'm here, man. I'm not good at guitar, but I am learning Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So I'm going to leave you a link to his video down in the description below, and I'm going to leave you a link to his Instagram. So hit him up, tell him Michael Builds sent you. Adam Stoner, Sins of Calvary, check him out. Now, this next subscriber's name is Connor from Brampton, Ontario, Canada. And he had several projects going on, but a couple of them that really stood out to me were this vanity with this concrete bowl sink that he did, and he also did this great coffee table. And what I love about both these projects is how outside of the box he took this one. Anybody can make a concrete bowl or a concrete rectangle, but it's what you guys do with it afterwards that really takes it one step further. And that's what Connor did. Starting with this vanity, what is there not to love about this vanity? First of all, I love that concrete bowl. I love that you went with this deep charcoal, gnarly black. That floating wood top looks fantastic. But what I also love is this great concrete inlay that he did underneath the sink to hide all the plumbing. And does that tree design look familiar to you? I see what you did there. Now, Connor made the concrete sink by using some stainless steel mixing bowls. And now he said it was much more involved than that, but he gave me some great ideas because that's something that I've been dying to do, and now I think I know how I'm going to do it. Connor also made this great coffee table with this Celtic heart in the center, and you gotta love that base. It's simple, yet it has so much character, and I haven't seen one like it. So, great job, Connor. Thank you so much for sending me these photos. I really appreciated this one. Now let's move on to the next one, shall we? Alright, the next subscriber, his name is Tony. He emailed me last year, and he made this great, simple, round fire pit. What I love about this one is that it's simple, but it makes a huge statement. It's a ring, but it's a solid ring. And then after that, he just simply stained it. So then he bought one of those solo stoves, and he just plugged it right in the middle. I'll leave a link in the description down below for those. And he didn't fuss around with the legs too much. He just made some simple legs out of wood and placed it on top. It doesn't get any simpler than that. But then on top of that, he got this metal pan to go over top. It's a heat deflector. So when it's colder outside, it pushes the heat out sideways to his guests and keeps everybody nice toasty warm. Tony actually made a YouTube video on how he did this, so I'm going to link that above, and I'm going to link it in the description below, so make sure to watch that. Tony also sent me these concrete bowls that he did, and he gave them a marble look, and they turned out fantastic. From what I understand, Tony took 2 different color concretes and loosely mixed them together, poured them in the mold, and bam, you've got marble. So, needless to say, I need to do a video on that. Those are some great projects, Tony. Thank you for sharing them with us. Speaking of fire pits, ever since I came out with the fire table video, you guys took that and you ran with it. And that was so awesome. So much so that Rick from EasyFirePits.com had to come out with a Michael Builds kit. He got so many phone calls from that video that he had to put together a special kit, and that was mind-blowing. It really was. So this next subscriber, Tom Breslin, a New York firefighter, sent me a DM in Instagram of this great fire table, and he personalized it with the letter B for their last name, and it just turned out great. I love that base because I love corrugated metal, and he just made this welcoming space outside, and that's great. But I couldn't help but see in the background these huge giant tongue depressor like things, and I had to ask him about it. So a little off topic, but he said that they're Viking chairs. Each chair is just simply a 2x12x8. You cut them in half, cut the shape out, personalize it, and you're done. He personalized them for his 2 sons and his wife, and you simply take them apart for easy storage. It's pretty cool. I dug a little farther, and he sent me this other great picture of this radiator cover that he made, and he said he made it about 20 years ago. So, New York firefighter, 20 years ago, tells you a story, doesn't it? So if we sat around Tom's fire table on his Viking chairs, I bet this guy could tell us some stories. Tom, thank you for sharing these projects with us, and thank you for what you do. Now, this next subscriber, Jeff McGee, he went with a square fire table design, and what I love about this project is that he took it one step further by adding in some LED light posters around the perimeter. He made a phenomenal base for this project. It looks great. Speaking of taking it one step further, you need to check out Jeff's Instagram account. I don't know that I could look at a limousine and say, how can I take this one step further? Well, Jeff did it. Jeff, you're insane. I love it. Check him out. So, another project that I get emailed a lot on are outdoor kitchens. And this is another one where you guys are just taking my videos and just running with it with these outdoor kitchens. So, Matt Carrell from Fort Mojave, Arizona. Check him out on Instagram. The Oyster. He made this phenomenal outdoor kitchen. And this thing has all the bells and whistles. Not only does he have the barbecue, but he has a spot for an egg cooker. He's got a sink. He's even got some storage underneath. He even did an area where you can fit bar stools underneath. And this is another one of those projects that I get a lot of requests for, and I'm really hoping to do that this summer, is do an outdoor kitchen. And it's probably going to be sponsored by the fine folks at New Air that sent me that great heater and the other heater that we did a giveaway on. This time they want to send me an outdoor fridge. So look out for that video. Hopefully that will be coming soon. So thank you, Matt, for sharing that project with us. It turned out phenomenal. Check him out on Instagram, the Eister. This next one, we have another hero, Michael Tibbetts from Edge, Texas. He says he's retired 28 years military. On behalf of everyone here, thank you so much for your service. On this project, Michael took inspiration from like 3 of my videos and gave me inspiration for another video. He created this great waterfall / fire feature and put it next to the pool. If this isn't taking it one step further, I don't know what is. But this project has everything. He's got the fire, he's got the water, he's got the broken glass chips, he even polished the top after that, he's got the coved edges. I mean, this is what it's all about, is taking ideas, combining them into one project, and just running with it. This is a fantastic job, Michael. Thank you so much for sharing this with us. And he says he's watched my 1-hour concrete countertop video about 100 times. I am so sorry about that, dude. I can't get you that time back, man, but thank you so much. Moving on. Alright, so this next one is another outdoor kitchen by a subscriber by the name of Don from Houston, Texas. And again, it's this great outdoor kitchen space that he made. I love the different levels that he did. And again, he went all out on this one. He's got the egg cooker, he's got the barbecue, it looks like he's got a griddle, he's even got some storage underneath, and a big cooler. And another thing I love about this build is the wood doors and the wood cover that he made for the cooler. Again, making this great, welcoming outdoor space. Don, thank you so much for sharing these. I'm going to leave a link to his Instagram down below. Let's change the shot again. Now this one is great because I love when the ladies get their hands dirty and show the fellas how it's done too. And Katie Arrington from Summerville, South Carolina did just that. And she just can't help but be bougie.
As we are going into the Home Depot, I am still rocking the Gucci purse. I just want you to know, Michael, as much as we think you're awesome, I can't help but being bougie.
Bougie, bougie, bougie.
So this is going to be the bougie duo. That's what we're going to call ourselves, the bougie duo.
Not only did she send me a little video of the project that she did, but she also sent me a little video of her and her husband on their way into the Home Depot to get the supplies. But again, I love when you guys personalize your projects and make something that no one else has. She did this great concrete tabletop with some glass inlay with the letter A in the middle for her last name, and it turned out great.
So Michael, because of your inspiration, my husband and I created this wonderful piece that we use by our pool. And I'm not very good at filming this stuff yet, but as you can see, we made a concrete slab with your tutorial.
Yeah, good job showing the fellas how it's done, Katie. That's what I'm talking about. Now they have this great conversation piece to sit next to the pool in front of and enjoy all summer. So great job, Katie. Very impressed. Thank you so much. Keep the projects coming. Bougie Girl Reno on Instagram. Check her out. Well, I guess that's it for this video. Thank you so much to everyone that sends me emails and DMs on Instagram. I can't tell you how fulfilling that is as a creator. And don't forget to post your pictures on #MichaelBuildsCommunity so everyone can see. Also, thank you again so much to everyone that's been buying Michael Builds merch. That would be really awesome if you guys posted on Instagram #MichaelBuildsCommunity as well, sporting your Michael Builds merch. I want to see the faces that go with those big hearts that are helping support the channel as well. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please think about doing so. I promise you won't regret it. And I'll see you in the next video.